Good morning, this is Steve Sally of PA Soft Wash, Indiana, Pennsylvania. We're out cleaning a home in College Lodge Road development area in Indiana, PA today. And as you notice, the roof line down there, you can tell it's really dirty. If you look straight down along there, you'll see there's moss, there's lichen, there's mildew, there's black algae. Pretty bad, but I want to show you how we treat a roof. We never use high pressure. Shingles were not designed for high pressure. So it's this is a chemical treatment. What we're doing is we're killing the algae spores and eradicating them. And then the next few rains, which are the perfect balance, will wash that off. You just never want to use pressure. So we'll show you how simple the application is. We use an agricultural style pump, and we bring it up on the roof, and then we just gently apply the material. There's a guy on the ground, he's watering the whole time. Any overspray, we're addressing that. But as you see, we're just putting it on till runoff. And in the process of doing that, you'll notice the change in the algae as we monitor this for a little bit. But that's how it's put on. It's allowed to travel down the roof, and that white that you're seeing, what that's doing is that's opening up the plume of the algae, and it's drinking in the proprietary roof solution we use. What we use is recommended by the Roof Manufacturers Association. So we'll monitor this roof for a little bit, and we'll talk to you in a bit. Here's the roof we've been working on already this morning. And you'll notice there's still colonies down between the two dormers. That's very common. We clean through the layers just as it grows.